Well, veggie lovers, we did it! We hit 1 million downloads of Veggie Doctor Radio. Congratulations to you, to me, to everybody. We are so proud. We are so overjoyed that we finally reached this amazing milestone and hit 1 million downloads. And I am so proud and I'm so grateful. So I wanted to go aspect by aspect and tell you what I'm grateful for. One, I'm grateful for my podcast producer and right-hand woman, the Jane of all trades, Alejandra Parra. Thank you. Gracias. I love you. This show would never have gotten to the level that it has gotten to without you, because she is so detail oriented about sound quality, about the way that we run this. We've got our systems going, and I couldn't do it without her. So thank you, Alejandra. I appreciate you so much. And of course, my amazing guests. This show is primarily interview based, and I wouldn't be able to do it without amazing experts, passionate people, compassionate people, people that just are so ready to talk about their area of expertise, share their love, be generous with their time. So thank you to all of my amazing guests. I love you and appreciate you so much. And it is true. I fall in love with my guests. When you spend an hour talking to people in this intimate way, you realize that humans are amazing and incredible, and I love them all. So thank you to my guests. And of course, we wouldn't even have a show or have a reason to have a show without my loyal listeners, my new listeners, my veteran listeners, all of you. Thank you for supporting Veggie Doctor Radio. Thank you for listening week after week after week. Thank you for your reviews. Thank you for your emails. Thank you for your feedback. And thank you for sharing the show with others, with your friends, with your family, with your colleagues, with other people that you know could benefit from the information, from the empowerment, from the motivation that you find in this show. I appreciate you, my veggie lovers. Thank you so much for being here. And finally, I'd like to thank my family who has put up with over 5 years of me recording podcasts. Now that we've hit 1 million, I finally have my own office, which is actually pretty soundproofed and amazing. And now I don't have to kick everybody out of the dining room and the living room so that I can record my podcast episodes. So they've put up with a lot. They have given me the time and the space, the encouragement, the love to make this show and to continue this show. So to my mom, to my husband, to my children, to my mother-in-law, to my friends and family who have supported me in this journey, thank you. So we did it! 1 million downloads. It's so exciting. I'm so happy. And there's more to come. We're not done. Let's keep going. Let's do this, veggie lovers.